My name's William and I'm 12 years old. I live in Wicklow. My next door neighbour is Mary Duffy and she's an amazing artist. My brother and I are really lucky that if we want to see her, we can just hop over the hedge. My first impression of Mary would be, wow, she's amazing, how she can do everything. When you look at Mary's pictures, you wouldn't realise that they were done by someone without arms. Hi, Mary.
Hiya. Well, I'm working on this one and you're just in time to help me. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What Mary's really into at the moment is making layers and layers and layers and layers of paint.
This process is called a bale of colour.
That's so satisfying.
Okay. What do you think would be a good colour on that one, William?
Orange.
We're looking for this kind of netting effect. As light as you can. Hover like a bird.
It's really, really satisfying. I love the process of making this kind of stuff with the rollers. You don't always agree with Mary on what's nice and what's not nice, but she is the professional.
So there are only 3 colours in the universe, right?
Really?
Yeah. So there's only yellow, red and blue. You can't make red, you can't make blue. They're not a mixture of another colour. So when you put orange together, which is a mixture of yellow and red, the complementary of it is blue. So they bring out the best in each other. If I was mostly going to do a green painting, what colour do you think I might put underneath?
Red.
Yeah. These 2 together make green, so the odd one out is red.
Some of her art is like looking down on a map and I think it's really special how she does it.
So I like big paintings, right? But it's hard to stretch across a big painting, and so it's handier to do it on 2 panels. But this is called a diptych, and this one here has got 3 panels. A painting on 3 panels is called a triptych. People who like my paintings don't care how I paint them, and people who care about how I paint them aren't interested at all in my paintings. So I learned to love painting and not care what other people think.
Whoa.
Oh, it looks like a terrible mess, I have to say. But you know, this is the process. My motto is to keep trying new things and keep experimenting and not be afraid of mucking things up or making a mess. It's all part of a process. It's very hard to get it right. And I know this looks like a muck, but you know, at least we can call it that. So what I'm looking for is to leave the history, but to kind of unify everything.
Yeah. That way of working is really fun because when we go and we paint something and then it's a really big mess and Mary just paints over it and then we can say, well, we had a big part in that masterpiece. We did the undercoat. We can all see the original shapes now that we did before.
My name is William and this is art.